This is a New Line Cinema film, so yeah. Although Warner Bros. And New Line Cinema owns the rights, so yeah. Watch that one.
Much better than what we can kind of piece together. And if you
DVD video.
You can look on your Sentry mode and see inside the car. So the headrest for the front seat,
Here we go.
I got black, and for some reason I thought the seat cover, but it does not.
You are safe. It's all safe.
They didn't have black.
But you're imagining right now that the place can be as real as any pain. Don't be afraid. You have all the weapons you need. Your fight for survival starts right now. I'm gonna escape from here. There's armed guards everywhere. If Blue finds out, we're dead.
2 films I'll watch tonight.
This is your journey. If you succeed, it will set you free.
After a busy evening. In theaters, March 2011, to a theater.
But I'll look at it and you're going to get a base for it.
Am I late?
Just an hour, but you know.
Alright.
From Warner Home Video.
Hey, you? 11?
The girl that
Yeah, what are we on? Like 10:30.
Shouldn't have been there
I promise I
last.
never have to see him again.
But sometimes fate has other plans.
Did Allison and Peter speak to you about who would take care of Sophie in the unlikely event that they should both die?
Yeah, they're also.
Named?
Yeah, they also did win.
I'm sorry. They picked us together.
The Critics are calling Life as We Know It. A romantic comedy performs is fantastic and utterly funny.
Are we supposed to live in this house together?
We are part of a plan.
Some chick says, oh, miss, you can forget the condom. And I say no, and I still end up with the kid.
We need to figure out a schedule. That's my night off.
I'm happy to get rid of your old life, because your old life sucked.
It was great. I had a great time.
To do what, bake more?
They love Sophie more than anything in the entire world, and out of everyone, that's what they picked us.
Witness daughter. From Warner Brothers Pictures. From the producers. From the producer of Baby Mama. And Kicking and Screaming. A funny movie icon will blame.
You guys make a really cute couple.
She said the same thing about Taylor Swift and that Twilight kid.
I finally figured out why Peter and Allison picked us, and it's not because we knew them best, it's because you and me together, Sophie, somehow, we're a family.
Life as we know it will never be the same. Captain Michael, Josh Duhamel.
That's like Slumdog Millionaire.
Life as we know it.
What? Sweetie, you have poo on your face.
Look for it. From ERCB for more information, rating information. Superscript address in Wartburg, October 2010.
My father always had to say, when a day starts like this, it's all uphill from here.
Uphill? No, it's all downhill from here.
But everybody wants to be up,
Correct for
everybody wants to
calling
be down. So it's
John
all
Hacks
uphill.
is
But it's easier if you go downhill. So your dad didn't know what he was talking about.
From the director of Hangover. The producers are calling due date of the best romantic comedy. Best since comedies has been.
Say hi to Hunter.
Do you have a hairdresser out west? I just got this killer
The best are commerce calling due dates.
So that's what I'm dealing with.
We're going to be traveling for a few days, and it wouldn't hurt to get to know each other. What's your favorite color? What age did you lose your virginity? I was 9 years old. Great gal, great gal. Sheila Pimples. We need to make a pit stop. Close in 5 minutes. I got reservations at Chili's.
You have a reservation at Chili's.
That's actually smart. I mean, he gets busy on Wednesday night.
I despise who you are to cellular level.
Okay, I've heard that before, and I'm trying to work on it. I have never.
From Wartburg's Pictures. The crews are calling due dates in Oxenden. And they do. Blog.
Getting you home safe, okay?
I'm gonna kiss you.
Stop, Peter and Riley! Oh, bitch!
Why are your eyes so glassy? You been partying?
No, I have glaucoma.
What about the dog? Does he have glaucoma? Because his eyes are glassy too.
You better check yourself.
Robert Downey Jr.
Already hit it. Real hard. There's another one up there.
Zach Galifianakis.
Why are your father's ashes in a coffee can?
Because he's dead, Peter.
Dad, you're like a father to me.
I sworn I read it was man-made.
Nope, not correct. It's the Grand Canyon, it's not the Hoover Dam.
Well, I know it's not the Hoover Dam. It was built by the Pilgrims.
Also incorrect.
Hey, check yourself before you wreck
Date.
yourself.
This coffee is horrible. It tastes like cat litter.
I think it tastes delicious.
So I use the coffee that you guys brought. Oh boy. His dad's remains were in the can.
Oh, God! So stupid!
Check yourself, check yourself.
Legend tells of a band of noble guardians sworn to vanquish evil and to save our kingdom. But they remain lost in the mists of Gahul, hidden to all those who believe. Stop! You're gonna give her daymares.
This is my favorite power.
You had a soft head, son, filled with stories and dreams.
The producers are false. Warner Brothers Pictures and Village Roadshow Pictures presents
It is time to take the Owl Kingdoms.
Clash of the Titans.
Doing something terribly wrong.
You're gonna need to fly a long way to get to the Guardians.
You mean they're real?
Oh, they're real, alright.
What are we gonna do, sir?
We're gonna find the Guardians of Gahul. You've all come this far, each protecting the other. When you've flown as far as you can, you're halfway there.
What did he say?
We're halfway there.
From Warner Brothers Pictures. From the producers of 2000 that brought you 2000 of Happy Feet.
That way.
You can breathe now.
What are they really doing here?
They've built an army powerful enough to take over all the Owl Kingdoms.
Go tell the Guardians!
On his way to finding the legend. He will become one. You too can be a great guardian.
Follow me!
Get them.
An ambush! I bet you didn't count on this! Hold on!
Come on, Siren. We're not finished yet, boy.
Be a young owl and taste for adventure, arriving at the tree for the first time.
Legend of the Guardians, the Owls of Gahul.
Knock, knock!
Who's there? Owls. Owls who?
Oh, that's right, owls too.
If I have to hear any more of his ridiculous owl jokes,
Hilarious.
introducing WB Insider Rewards. Join today and start earning points now towards fantastic rewards. Rewards like Blu-rays, DVDs, games, free TV episodes and movies, exclusive discounts.
There isn't any time to waste them. Is there?
Plus, when you become a Warner Brothers Insider, you'll have more access to the inside story about Warner Brothers movies, TV shows, games, and more.
You're gonna want to get this.
Join WB Insider Rewards and start earning points towards your rewards today.
Stuff that my mother used to tell my friends about.
It's the fun way to earn rewards. Visit WBInsiderRewards.com, enter the code WB23, and earn 200 points today. Look for these great movies, TV shows, and games now.
I mean, it's like a $90,000
By the Classification Rating Administration, www.filmrates.com.org.
the red car.
Please make sure your seatbelts are